It's 7 o'clock in the morning right now, and it's Stevie's day off. And I know he was out last night, so he is going to be feeling grim. But he ain't getting no lion today. Not on my watch. No way. He never locks his gate. His window's open. Dave, hide behind the shed. Give me the phone, bro. He's coming out, he's coming out, he's coming out, he's coming out. He's coming out, he's coming out.
Who was that? Who was that? Malcolm, not f***ing you. You only day off.
He's coming out, he's coming out. Bro, he had a hammer. So I just got a missed phone call from Stevie, and he's left me a voicemail.
Malcolm, I know that was you, you little dweeb. See, when you come round me again, you get smashed into little pieces. It's the only day off I've got. I'm gonna kill you.
I guess I'm a marked man, I'm on a hit list.